Well, if you know me, you know that I like spending money on things I'll probably never have to use. So today, we're going to address one of those things. I have what you would call a whole hot mess of propane cylinders here. There are some of them in the Suburban, but obviously I can't fit all of these. So, we have us a bed frame and a leftover piece of angle steel from a different project that we did. So we're gonna make a little shelving unit for all these propane cans, and then I'll make a spot in my garage for it, and we'll be happy to go. Let's get on it. So now that we've got them all cleaned up, I'm gonna cut the back rails first. We got these marked at 44.5 inches. So we'll do these two, and then get the big guy there and cut two of those at 44.5 inches as well. And then we'll figure out what we need to do with the rest of this. And now with that done, I need to cut 10 side supports. These will be roughly 12 inches long, and so I'll need 10 of them. So these will do 2 apiece, and then I have a little scrap pile here. So let's get those knocked out. So now we have all our pieces. I'm just going to clean up the surface rust off of these, and especially clean where we're going to be welding, and then we can start putting it together. Now with both sides assembled, I can cut little cutouts on the cross braces and we can put this thing together. Next up, we need to burn the wood that we're using here. There's 2 ways to go about this. You can take a propane torch and carefully burn your wood all the way through. Method number 2, you could just say F it and do it all at once. The shelves will probably be fine just sitting there, but I want to drill some holes and put some screws in it just to be super safe, in case I ever have to move. And there we have it, it's all done. Side note, the heat kind of warped the shelves a bit, so I probably won't be buying this type of wood anytime soon. I do have some empty space here, so I probably need to go buy more propane, as much as I don't need it, just to fill up the shelves. But there you have it, it's all done. That's about all I got for you. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. As usual, you be good while I'm gone, and I will see you next time. Have a good week.